Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. In today's video guys, we're going to go ahead and show you how to fix a squeaky belt on Kia. Okay, if you have the 4-cylinder engine guys, most likely the procedure will apply to your vehicle. Okay, check it out now. That belt is like super loose. Never ever stick your fingers, especially if a person is inside about to start the engine. Never ever do that. But check the belt, super loose. Hyundai, Kia guys, the same procedure. So stay with us and we'll show you how to get rid of that squeaking and how to tighten your belt now. So make sure you turn the car off. And you're going to need a 14mm socket. We'll need to get that bolt loose there. Okay, you need to get about 1 revolution loose. You don't need to take it off. Don't take it off because your alternator will fall off. Okay, that's good. Now, this is the tensioner right here. And there is 1 bolt on the side. Okay, let me try to focus here. Okay, there is a side bolt. Okay, down there. Okay, you can see it now. So that bolt is with a 12mm socket. So we'll go ahead, get that one loose again. Do not remove it. Okay, just get about a couple revolutions on it. Okay, perfect. Now we need to get extension, and that bolt on top is with 12mm socket again. Okay, and we're going to get the belt, okay, tighten. Okay, now let me show you. When you turn clockwise, okay, you get the belt tight. Okay, watch how the slack is going away now. Okay, you don't want to over tighten those, because if it's too much, you stretch the belt, you can break the belt. So you need to have a little bit of slack, but not much. And I would recommend to get everything tight. Okay, you need to get the side bolt tight. Now we're going to go ahead and get this bolt tight as well. Go inside the vehicle, turn the headlights on, AC compressor on, so that way you have more consumption and more stress on the belt, and see if it squeaks. If it squeaks, just tighten it a little bit more. If it doesn't, call it good. Yeah, okay, perfect. Alright guys, let's go ahead and start it. No squeaking at all. Thank you guys for watching World Mechanics. Please subscribe and many more videos to come.